f of x maps to 3 minus x minus 1 squared, and g of x maps to 2x plus 3, are two functions defined for all x values an element of the real number set. Part 1. Express g after f of x in terms of x. So the first thing we want to do is to multiply out and simplify f of x. So f of x equals 3 minus x minus 1 squared, and x minus 1 squared will give us x squared minus 2x plus 1. Minus by x squared is minus x squared. Minus minus 2x is plus 2x. And minus by 1 is minus 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get f of x equal to minus x squared plus 2x plus 2. So now we're going to substitute f of x into g of x, because we want to do g after f of x. So we're going to substitute f of x into g of x. So this is g of x, 2x plus 3. So we're going to substitute f of x into the g function. So it's going to be 2 multiplied by minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 plus 3. So we just swapped that x for minus x squared plus 2x plus 2, which is what we worked f of x out to be up here. So 2 by minus x squared is minus 2x squared, 2 by 2 is 4x, and 2 by 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So g after f of x, in terms of x, is minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 7. Part 2, investigate if g after f of x is equal to f after g of x for all elements of x, a real number set. So we're going to do f after g of x. So we're going to substitute the g of x function into f of x. So our g of x function is 2x plus 3. So we're going to substitute it into this function. So swapping that x for 2x plus 3, and swapping that x for 2x plus 3. So we get minus 2x plus 3 squared plus 2 times 2x plus 3 plus 2. 2x plus 3 squared is 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. 2 by 2x is 4x, 2 by 3 is 6, and we bring down to plus 2. Minus by 4x squared is minus 4x squared. Minus by 12x is minus 12x. And minus 12x plus 4x is minus 8x. Minus by 9 is minus 9. And minus 9 plus 6 plus 2 is minus 1. So f after g of x ends up being minus 4x squared minus 8x minus 1. So thus, f after g of x is not equal to g after f of x. Clearly, these two are not equal to each other.